In the oil and gas industry, maximizing outcomes of drilling projects is a critical challenge. Traditionally, drilling, conditioning, and reaming were separate phases of a drilling project. The revolutionary patented DYNOMAX SLIDE REAMER integrates these phases, saving time and money. The cutting structure on the slide reamer is designed to maintain 360-degree contact. Cutters rotate independently, reducing torque and drag. The slide reamer can be used for vertical, directional, and horizontal holes. Cutters clean the well bore while sliding or rotating, maintaining integrity of the well bore wall in any drilling operation. The DYNOMAX Slide Reamer does just what it says, reams while sliding, and can also ream during drill string rotation. This continuous conditioning eliminates the need for a designated reamer run. A slide reamer can be added to the drill string for multiple drilling applications. Research shows that adding a DYNOMAX Slide Reamer results in a clear reduction of 15 to 20% in rotary torque over the same drill string running without a slide reamer. Preserve integrity, protect equipment, perform with precision. Maximize your project outcomes with DYNOMAX Slide Reamers.